Hello and welcome you W Repair Universal Wireless. So we're gonna today change, put a new screen that we got from Mobile Centrics. You can get it from eBay, Amazon, or Mobile Centrics, and there is Injured Gadget. So we're gonna put a screen on S23 Ultra. S22 Ultra, S21 Ultra, S24 Ultra are all the same. So I'm gonna show you how you remove the back and disassemble the whole phone without breaking it. Okay, we're gonna start by heating the back. If you don't have one of these, you can use a hair dryer. Hair dryer will work perfect. Alright, you need a razor. You have to do it very careful so you don't break it. When the razor go, you need two cards, playing cards or something like sharp but paper. You try to put this inside. You remove the razor. Okay. And you keep heating. You don't want to break the back. And you keep moving with the Alright. You heat more. Alright, you see, easy and nice. Hit the other side. Alright. Now the top part. Alright, we're almost there. Let's remove this. Boom. Remove this part. Now we have to remove all the screws with regular screwdriver. Put them on the side. There is a lot of screws. You have to remove every screw. Yeah, there is some screens are cheaper than this. It doesn't come with a frame, but you have to glue it. But why you wanna glue it? If you're not professional, you don't have really good glue, it will show on the old frame very bad. So better to pay like couple bucks more and get it with a frame. go, we are done with the top part. Now we're gonna move to the bottom part, where is the speakers. This is the wireless charger. I prefer to put the bottom part screws by itself. Because they're shorter than the top screws. Okay, now we are done with all the screws. We still have the antenna. This is the 5G antenna right here. There is 2 screws on the side. You just remove them and put the antenna on the side. Okay, right now you start you need to remove this one, the plastic on top. It has a connector here and another connector here. Okay, so here we go. And this one go all the way down. You remove it with the speaker. Don't force anything, always remove it gently. Alright, so right now we gonna remove all. First you remove the battery, of course. Remove all the cables you see in front of you. Remove this pen cable, this one, another antenna, this one, and the camera, of course. Okay, after we remove all of this, we can remove the motherboard, put it on the side, and then we're gonna remove the charging port. This is the screen connector and a charging port connector and another charging port connector. There is 3 screws on the charging port. We remove them slowly. Alright, now we try to remove the antenna, 5G antenna. And there is another antenna here we have to remove. Let's see. Alright, we need to remove the camera. For the camera, it has some silicone on the side, so you have to get like a razor or something to and try to cut through. You see, that's what I'm talking about, this one. And it should come easy after you remove the other side too. This is the camera. Next, we're gonna move, we said the charging port, but remember in the charging port there is the SIM card. We have to remove the SIM card tray. Okay, we got the SIM tray popper. We pop it up. SIM tray is done. We remove the charging port right now. Also probably need, you see, this, that's how easy. Remove the pen to put it in a new screen. And now we still have to remove the battery. We need to heat it up. So let's heat. Okay, battery, as much as you can heat is better. Always heat from the screen side. Now we try to remove it slowly. It will go up. Like I said, don't force anything. Alright, I think we removed everything now. We have to start disassembly now. Basically for the battery we could remove it easily by removing this and then slide this. Okay, next time. The other models I didn't have this. And here the battery. Alright, we take the new screen, we open it, we remove all the papers, the battery glue. Okay, let's start with the charging port first. Here we go, the charging port. Remember that the charging port, it had a couple of screws on the side. Alright. More here. Didn't work. Okay, next we're gonna put the motherboard. After we put the motherboard, we put the front camera. After the motherboard, we connect the connector we have here. We put the first antenna on the side. We put the second antenna. I think those two screws were for the antenna. Sorry guys, that's why you should be more organized than me. Not really. Okay, let's put all the assembly now. Next we put the battery. We make sure it fit right so it can go inside the connector. Next we're gonna put the charging port connector. It says sub and main go to the motherboard. Always you have to feel the connector. Remember, when you feel it you click, you don't click whatever. All right, this is the screen connector. And this is the other connector for the 5G. Another one, sub main. Can't believe I messed up with the screws. I will find them. Okay, so I think that's it. Now we have to put this one back. Make sure always the speaker, it has magnetic, didn't magnet any screw on it. And you put this one back. There is a connector here, and there is this one. Looks like this one go first. Plastic piece, and make sure it click well. You see, like I told you, there is a screw stick in here. Always you have to feel something wrong, you stop. Now it's good. All right. So now this is all the screws that go at the bottom. Okay, we're done with the bottom screws. Now let's start with the top one, which is we left on this side. The black one go on the camera. Make sure you don't push the screws tight it too much, because those new screens, sometimes they make them, the hole of the screws is not long enough and you end up breaking the screen. They even tell you on it here that don't push these screws, don't use long screws. Here we go, we're done with all the screws. Next will be putting back the SIM card, and we're gonna try the phone out if it works. Probably is not charged. Let's get the charger. Here we go. USB-C charger, fast charger, so we can test the screen very. That's a good sign. It's charging. Let's give it a minute. So while we're waiting for the screen to charge, you know, we still have the glue here, so we can heat this glue and stick it back. But for more, but to secure it more, we're gonna put, I think something wrong with this charger. Get a different one. Okay, to secure it more, we're gonna use a double tape on the sides. I'm looking for a scissors, so can start cutting these. Put the first one here. And this one's not charging. So let me try one more cable. If it didn't charge, we have to open it again and see if we forgot a connector. Let's see this C to C. Maybe we didn't connect the battery. Probably. Yeah, I think so. Did we forget to connect the battery? Let's remove the screw very quick. It's okay. Everybody make mistake. So don't be in hurry. At least I'm not editing the video and tell you I don't make mistake. Everybody make mistake. So here we remove this. Oh yeah, you see? I forgot the battery cable. To connect it. Boom. Now we should put charge and it should charge. All right, now it's better. Now let's finish the this for oh yeah. All right, I need another small one here, and we're good to go. And this phone is still charging. I'm gonna use the black charger again. Let's see. We're not gonna glue it yet till we make sure the phone is gonna turn on, because it shows charging but it's not charging. The battery looks, when the customer broke the old screen, looks like a battery drained. Let's see. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you'd like me to make more video, you can subscribe and put in a comment what kind of video you would like to see. Meanwhile, I'm gonna pause the video and I will be back. Alright, I'm back. The phone should be charged now. Alright, it has 14%. Let's turn it on. Make sure the screen is working, the touch and everything. There we go. Okay, everything looks like fine. Okay, now last step will be to remove the double tape and put the back cover, and we're done. Need to heat this one a little bit, just to make the glue melt down a little bit, all the glue. And if you want to secure it really, you can just put super glue. All right, put the last the pen. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Yep.